2006 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock brakes, power lift gate, 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, driver and passenger airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, universal garage door opener, power door locks, security alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.